All right, we're live trading the S&P. Today's Tuesday, April 15th, and right now we have Monday and Tuesday pulled up, just a 5-minute. Looking for a short here at some point. A little bit of a half-measured move back up here, just a little bit of an attempted reversal I'm looking to fail. I think we retest probably 54.11 on SPX, somewhere in that range, and go short. So we have Monday's open, Tuesday's open, weekly low down here at 53.58. That's really my target here on this attempted short. So what I'm looking for is some type of, so you have this move here, so 48 points, and then a halfway retracement, right? Like I've talked about this in other videos where typically you get like this halfway retracement. So 28 points retracement, same exact thing here. Really from this move, so you have a 36-point retracement, and then the failed reversal is going to be usually about half of that. So we're right about there, and I think it's happening now. A little bit of a green hammer, which concerns me slightly. I'm actually already in this position a little prematurely, but from 54.05.5. So I'm at the money right now, but as we move later into the day, theta becomes an issue. 12:51 p.m. right now. Need a break below this previous bar, yeah. So I'm short here, really targeting, that's not quite my target. Target number one right here, 53.96. So we ticked low. We did tick below, which is good. We wanted to hold below, close below. Yeah, just like this. Okay, this is good. Here's price target 1. Price target 2. Again, I want to look for like these previous moves where there was lots of buying, lots of demand. So really another move happened here. Price target 2. Price target 3. Fourth would be Goblin Town, like sub 53.50. Option here, I'm not short futures, so if we start dipping below like 53.90, gamma becomes so powerful in this position, like just grows exponentially. So it's kind of worth a moon bag. Holy shit. Oh my God. Okay, that's extremely good for me. Let me just a sec. I'm like offloading some of these contracts. Yeah, gamma becoming very real now. And I like trading around this time for this reason, like post 12 o'clock, really closer to 1 o'clock, just because that's where the volume begins to pick up. Here's our volume for the day, right? Really low volume day. The weekly open obviously is going to have a ton of volume. Holy shit. So you have a 15-point red bar here. Offloaded 5% of the position so far, just because of how violent that move is. Leads me to believe I'm in the right direction here. This is perfect. 4 seconds to close on this bar. Pushing lower yet. Next bar opens on a gap lower. Oh, perfect. Just waiting patiently right now, seeing what happens. Now this could, I've also been on the other side of this where these things will do exactly this and make up this whole bar in just one candle, depending on who's trying to float the market. Hmm. But again, this is like a half measure move. Like we know what this is. So we had a 15-point candle, 53.93. So we can expect this to go back to 5,400 probably on this candle or on the following. Kind of a rookie mistake having this right here. This bar should have been right here. This was the correct line to set it from. Would love to see this close lower than the previous candle somehow. Just wick out at the top at 53.97 and a half. Close lower. Probably not going to happen. Firm beliefs loosely held when trading this chart. We kind of expected this 53.40, but it's go time. She's got to go. They're making up this entire candle. Not totally convinced yet. This is about what we expected as far as closing back at 5,400. See what happens. Wouldn't surprise me if we tick higher. Buyers trying to test the upper limit of that previous candle there, seeing if we can push above 5409. About even on this position right now. I mean, I was able to get some profit down at the 53.93 mark. So we tick higher. This is almost right at the open. I'm just sitting on my hands right now. There it is. De-risking a touch here. Like 10% more of the position. All right, we'll see which direction takes it. Like the way I look at this is a tug of war where the bears have everything. They've got daily sentiment, weekly, monthly. They've got macro sentiment. Anyone long right now is scalping. I feel like at this point in the market, people who wanted to go long fundamentally are already long. They're already deployed. People going long now or people scalping? We should push lower now. 53.88 maybe. Would love to see us just break through this level. 53.93 1/4. That's a conflict at that 53.93 number. Push. Bulls are still fighting, but it's getting it's a weaker and weaker attempt every time. It's getting less and less convincing. Although, as I say, that gap's up 3 more points. One of these pushes lower should just fly through the order book to 53.80. And we don't want a red hammer here. No, we definitely don't want a green hammer. Push lower so we can get a gamma squeeze. Here it comes, come on. Close this bar out strong. I'm gonna hop out. Okay, I just got out of the position for a sec. We got like this triple bottom down there. I would expect we see a move back above 54.04 before the lower now. And I could be totally wrong. Now it could happen, but I'm open to being wrong. Just the risk to reward. I don't want to be shorting bottom. I mean, I didn't. I'm in the position from up here, but they're kind of establishing a bottom now, and theta is becoming an issue. Let's see what happens. trying to be nimble here. It's a fast market. VIX picking up some steam. Down 4.5% to start the video. 2.5% now, 20 minutes later. Just because I was long puts there, like if the market keeps trading sideways, if we get some of this action, what the fuck is my brush? Like if we get some of, even if it's going like this, but it's sideways into the close, like closes. Here, like I don't make money on the position because of theta. Tempted to look for a little scalp long now. Play both sides of this. $16 points. Man, they keep holding that level. Unbelievable. Man, they don't want to move below this level. I'm opening a long. I'm trying to. All right, I just got filled long. Trying to get back out above this bar, 53.99, just a little scalp. See what happens. Well, to be fair, this is kind of what I was looking for on the last bar when I closed, but sometimes that's how the game goes. See if they make this ground back up. Probably not. Oh, this thing's about to go. And not up. Need to return to the blue bar to get out of this even on this long that I just took. About even on this now. A little bit of work to make it back up on the long. I have to take my medicine pretty soon here. That bar closes lower, no bueno. Damn, this thing's getting slaughtered. Here she comes. Here she comes. Let's pick up some steam. Picking up steam now. Let's get some momentum. Push, push, push. All right, she should push higher here. Little oversold on a short enough time frame now. Here we go. Here we go. I just want to get filled at even. Damn, it's retracing. Trying to get filled here. Close out the position for actually slight profit. Tight roping my way out of this now. Here we go. Here we go. I got out of the position. I'm in profit. Wow. Getting out of the last piece of it. This thing's just going parabolic. So we were able to make money on both sides. The short, the long, everything made money here. Christ almighty, I'm closing the last piece of it here. Sometimes it gets sketchy, and that was sketchy for sure. The last piece of it. Okay, just got out for the last piece. And that's 8% return on my account today, which I'm satisfied with. I'm not going to trade the rest of this. I'll monitor it, but Jesus, don't try this at home. Short here to here, and long here, surviving through all this garbage, out at about 53.97. So almost an 8% return on the account. And that's the video.